Good day everyone, this is a review about my favorite film. The first film that I have chosen is Avengers Endgame. In this film, it captures my attention because of its cinematography refers to the camera works that captures the action scenes in the film. The editing plays a crucial role in the film, especially in storytelling and the pacing. The smoothly blends in the actions of the characters and the sequence. I also noticed the set, costumes, and the overall props on how it compasses carefully that makes the audience satisfied by highlighting each character's uniqueness and the overall aesthetics. For the performance, I really do enjoy how the actors portray their specific given roles, especially Wanda on how fierce and sexy feisty she is in the movie. For the sound effects, it enhances the overall cinematic of the film, especially the part where Hawk crushes things, also the thunderous sound from the weapon of Thor, and the gunshots on the audio clearness. For the next film is Barbie. The cinematography captures the fantastical, magical, and the vibrant inhabited by Barbie, with colorful visuals that makes a good childish experience. For the editing, it ensures the smooth transitions and stability in Barbie's adventures in the film that maintains lively pace and still suitable for the adult and younger audience. For the mise scene, it brings us on Barbie's closet on how dreamy and glamorous wardrobe she has, and her house interiors were incredible. The performance involves on overall acting that all of us makes happy if the scene is warm and light, and sad when it's all about realizations. The sound audio bring us enchantment because of magical experience of the film. Overall, each element plays a big role in the film to make a great outcome across of all overall film. That's it. Thank you.